Hello friends, in this video we will see one of the tools of what if analysis, that is goal seek. Firstly, what is goal seek? Goal seek in Excel is a tool that helps you to find the input values needed to get a desired output using a formula. So we can say it works backwards. Instead of plugging in different inputs manually, Excel adjusts the input for us until the formula gives the results we want. So to understand this concept, let's take some examples. We can see in this worksheet, we are having a problem given. The problem says, how many items do you have to sell to make revenue of $1,000? We are provided with the item price, which is $5. Quantity is not known as we need to get the how many items, that is quantity we need to calculate. Commission is given as 10% and revenue you can see is the target, which is $1,000. So friends, as you can recall, I just said we need to use a formula here. On the basis of formula, goal seek will returns you the value. So we will put the formula here in this highlighted cell, that is the revenue cell. So for calculating the revenue, we know simply we can multiply item price by the quantity to get the revenue. But here commission is also given. So what we can do, we can write revenue equals item price multiplied by quantity and brackets 1 minus commission. Or if you want to more simplify it, we can multiply this inside the brackets values. So we can say item price multiplied by quantity minus item price multiplied by quantity multiplied by commission. So using this particular concept, firstly, we will calculate the revenue. So putting the equal sign, item price is this, which you need to multiply by the quantity minus again item price multiplied by the quantity multiplied by the commission percent. Once I will press enter, we are getting the $0, meaning is that quantity is not given, it is a blank cell. That is why we are getting revenue as 0. Now, to get the answer of this quantity, we will use here the goal seek, which is given under the data tab. You need to go to the what if analysis, and then from here we can select the goal seek. Then a dialog box is appearing, which is having the three things, that is set cell to value by changing cell. So set cell is the cell reference which is containing the formula. So you can see this is the highlighted cell. So you need to select this cell which is taking its reference, which is D6 to value. So we want to set this cell by the value or to the value 1000. By changing cell, you need to select the quantity cell. That means we want to give or we want to calculate the quantity. So that means Excel will do the multiple calculations here to achieve your target of $1,000. And then you can press on OK. Once you are pressing on OK, Excel or the goal seek is giving you the message that the target was 1000 and current value is 1000. You can click on OK. And that way we can see the quantity is coming as 222.22. So quantity cannot be in the fraction. We can say that means approximate 223, that is 223 units can be sold by the person to get the revenue of $1,000. So this was the example number 1. Let's take another example. Here we are having the problem which says find the grade on the 4th exam that produces a final grade of 70. So we are having 4 exams and 3 grades given. For exam 1, 50. For exam 2, 80. And for exam 3, 60 are the grades. For exam 4, grades are missing, which we need to calculate. We know this thing that the target is 70. That means final grade should be 70. We know this thing. Generally, the final grades are the average of all the exams. So we will put here the equal sign to generate a formula. Using the average, we can provide the range of these grades, including the blank cell. Pressing the enter, it is returning us 63.33. Then we can go to the data tab, what if analysis, and select goal seek. Here, the set cell is the B41. We want to set this cell to the 70 by changing the exam 4 grids, and you can press on OK. So you can see target value 70, current value 70, answer is generated by Excel. You can click on OK. So we can say that means a student needs to score 90 marks or 90 grade in the exam 4 to achieve the final grade of 70. So friends, this way goal can be used by us for the one value. That means we will provide the formula, and using that formula, goal seek will return you one value. So I hope this video can understand you the concept of goal seek and how we can use goal seek in Excel. Thank you friends for watching this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.